ഹായ് ഓൾ, ഗുഡ് ഈവനിങ്. അപ്പം എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഫീഡ്ബാക്ക് പറയാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് ഞാൻ ഈ വീഡിയോ ഷൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. എല്ലാവർക്കും എക്സാം എളുപ്പം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നെന്ന് പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കുന്നു. Compared to last year, this might vary. Like from student to student, this can vary, this opinion. As per my opinion, compared to last year's exam, this was good. That doesn't mean everybody should crack this exam, but still we have to improve a lot, right? The mistakes which we committed this year, that we have to rectify in the next year. And I am damn sure ആരും ഇത് ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്തില്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് കൂക്കു വെക്കാനൊന്നും പോകുന്നൊന്നുമില്ല. Because those who know this, those who are well educated, they know UPSC is the toughest exam. So it's not a child's game. Hope you understood that we clear in first or second attempt. At times we need to give some time to improvise ourselves and crack this exam. So take this thing in a positive way and move ahead. I mean, if those who are passionate about this particular examination, if they want, they can do the next attempt. That's it. Otherwise, those who think this is wastage of money, like I used to tell earlier, in that sense, if you are taking means, I must say this, you have to quit and go with some other tests or some other Kerala PSC or your state ka PSC, something like that, because this requires lot of patience. And if you have noticed, some of the students feedback I got was like this: none of the questions came from any of the coaching centers. That is there. So what we have to understand from this is, coaching centers will guide us, but our part we have to do. Understood? We have to strictly sit and study. Only then we can crack the exam. That is evident from today's questions, right? They are useful. I am not criticizing. Even I assist people in this examination, so they are useful, but you have to do your part in a major way. There is limitation for these centers, because in questions when we take, none of the questions come that much from the centers where we used to approach. Here and there, one or two questions it will come, but the rest we have to do our own thing. Certain questions, when we see the question paper, we are seeing it for the first time. Won't you believe that? And this is happening with people who are undertaking coachings also. So there's no much variation between a student who has done coaching as far as UPSC exam is concerned, or he is studying on his own. I mean, putting effort on his own. So what we have to do is, we have to study properly from A to Z, bits and pieces. Otherwise, we won't be able to crack this exam. It's very difficult. So again, back to Malayalam I told, so in English only. Nobody will tell shame, puppy shame or something, that you didn't crack this attempt or something. Throw whatever people might tell and move ahead. With that full josh, try to crack next exam. If at all this exam was a failure for some of the people at least. Okay. So if you are interested, you have to put in your effort and crack in the next. That's my suggestion. Otherwise, you have to quit this enterprise of UPSC examination and move ahead with some other examination. Okay. So that's what I have to tell inside this. Then I won't discuss the question paper now, but I will tell you which are the answers for the exams which happened in the morning session. You can cross check it with this, but we have to rely on UPSC ka key only. But till that comes, some people can think whether you will crack or not, because much variation won't come, but still you have to rely on UPSC ka key still. Let's see. Okay, thank you and bye.